Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I want to show you a website called as V0, which is made by a company called as Vercel. So actually this website is a hidden gem for people who want to make a complete website or a full stack application without any coding experience. So if you're wondering if you want to make a website but you don't know how to code or how to program, then this website is going to be useful for you. So I'll show you how it works. But before going into it, I'll show you some of the examples, like some people who use this website to make some of the front end or a full stack application. For example, let's check this out. It is called as freelancers landing page. So this is created by this author on this website. As you can see, it's literally looking amazing. The front end is very minimalistic and nice colors on it. And this is actually made by the website using AI. This is literally amazing. Let's check out another example. So these are all the front end web applications made on this website using AI from the community. You can browser it more if you want. You can look at the dashboards created, components, landing pages, apps and games, and a lot of things. So as you can see over here, you can make literally anything from scratch using this website, as the AI will help you create it completely. You don't need to have any coding experience for this. And there are a lot of things this app can create. As you can see over here, there are some different categories, which is literally pretty amazing. Actually, this website is not completely free, but it gives you a free version where it gives you a $5 credit on monthly basis, or else you can upgrade it if you want, if you like using this website. So let's check out how this works. So first of all, you have to sign in if you already have an account, or just sign up. As I already have an account, I'll just sign in using Google over here. Or else I'll show you how the sign up works. So just I'm going to use my Google Gmail directly, and yeah. You have to accept the terms and conditions. If you want to, you can check out the TOC and then accept it. And let's make a let's try to create a simple landing page which shows a personal portfolio. Okay, so I'll give the prompt: build a responsive login page with email and password fields in it, also including a forgot password link. So this is a pretty basic prompt to check out how this website works. As it's already saying, start building with a single prompt, no coding experience needed. It also shows some of the new updates which have been published on this website, which is pretty amazing too. Yeah. So it's already created our, I think so this is Tailwind CSS file and our coding files, global.css. As per my experience, this website is working pretty fast. It's creating the programming files really quickly, which is amazing. So it has already created the programming files, and look, here we are. Wow, this actually looks pretty minimalistic and looks literally perfect. The UI design here is wow, amazing. This is literally created in few minutes. Wow. So it creates the programming files and also shows you the test front landing page. This is pretty good. So let's try another prompt, new chat, and let's ask for a maybe a bit more difficult application. So let's try asking to create a dashboard UI. So generate a dashboard UI with a sidebar, navigation, top navigation bar, and bar showing analytics statistics. See how fast this website works. Let's see how it will look like. Wow, this is pretty amazing. So this is the console for the code, and let's see, can open up in full screen, and yeah, it is opening up in a full screen. So this is the dashboard UI with some default settings like default values to show how the dashboard looks, and it is in dark mode. It looks pretty amazing. Wow, it literally made this whole UI in few minutes. I honestly got to say this website is pretty good at making UI concepts which looks really appealing on the website and the application. Wow. So yeah, this is how it works. You can give your prompt for your own website or for a front-end application or something like that, and you don't need any coding experience. This website will use AI and it will completely create the programming files for you, and you can also preview the application which is made by this. And you can also see over here at the top right corner, you can publish this to web, so you can go live with the application if you want, if you liked it. So yeah, this is how this works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like the video if you like how this website works. Also, kindly subscribe to my channel for further videos on AI websites like this. And yeah, thanks for watching.